guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kit reveal for how to kill a kit with style. If you had not noticed, I'm sure you have because all the other people probably get followed way more than I do. But we're doing kind of like a quarterly kit instead because many of us are finding we have huge kits and none of us are killing them. So we're giving ourselves more time. So this one's April through June, and in standard fashion, I am posting mine late. But we're all told to grab a kit that's older in our stash. So now this may not look older, but when I think about what year I got this, it's actually 5 years old now, which is mind-blowing that much time has passed. But this was a kit I got back when Redefined Creative was doing kits. I think it was a pre-made one that she had in her shop. I can't remember. I don't remember what's in it. I don't remember what it was called. I don't remember a lot about it. I just know I have some kits from her shop back in the day before a bunch of stuff. So yeah, it's some of these papers are from 2019. So I'm pretty sure that's roughly when I got it. And so yeah. So we are going to look through what I have all in this kit, and then obviously I will add my own embellishments, things, add-ons if I need to. Sometimes I don't have to, but I thought this would be a good size kit, and I'm excited to start documenting some more summer things and some vacations, so I thought a bright, sunny, colorful kit would be fun. I unfortunately have a few kits I can choose from that are older, and so I chose one that wasn't super, super old, but that wasn't, yeah, I didn't want to get one that was super, super old. I don't have any, like, kits. I have I have collections and papers and things that are much older than 2019, like, even back to the early 2000s. But I didn't have any, like, full-on kits. But this is when 2014 is when I started really scrapbooking. No, 2012 is when I started really scrapbooking again. I got into YouTube, I think, in 2018? Has that been 5 years? Not 6 years this year? I don't remember. But I was on design teams by this point when I got this, so I know this was earlier on anyway, and just the last 4 years have been a blur. I don't know about you guys, but when you think about that, it's like, oh my gosh, it is. It's 2024. Like, what happened? Anywho, I'm going to stop rambling and let's go through this kit and then we will see what we can do with it. So we got some embroidery floss. Just some standard white, I believe. 5,200. Not much else about that. So, some white embroidery floss. These are... Oh, this is that Polish company. What's it called? I can't think of what it's called right now, and that is way too small for my eyeballs this morning. Let's see if I can get the cheaters out and figure it out. Oh, I can't think. You guys will probably know what it is right away. Someone's probably yelling at me. Oh, maybe that doesn't say it. I know what this is, but my brain is farting. But anyway, they're these cute circle tags. They're very birthday-esque. I don't know how much of that I will use unless I come across some birthday. I might be able to do some birthday documenting. So those are some tags. I'm not going to get them all out. We've got paper straw. That was a big thing for a while there. So I might try to do something fun with that. A nice bright orange marker. And ironically, these are the pens that I fell in love with, and I didn't even know this was in this kit. I forgot. Oh my gosh, that's cool. I love these pens. These felt tip pens are the best. So I've got a bright orange one I can play with. We've got some Doodlebug shape sprinkles. They look like sprinkles from cake. Yeah, this says 2020. So this kit might have been made in 2020. I think it was like 2019 to 2020 in that winter. Some beautiful Florence Alphas orange. This is a great alpha. I love Bella Boulevard's alphas. Some El Studio. I'm pretty sure this is a Creative Cuts Club kit. I don't think it's a Paper Issues kit. Could be a Paper Issues kit too, because Cassie was always really good at doing those. I can't remember now. Because she would have El Studio totally in any kit. So this could be a Paper Issues kit. So scratch that. This could be a paper issues kit. L Studio labels. Got some good ones with just stars and then some with some fun words. I don't think she did this though. And then some trim. We've got some pom-pom trim in an orange. This might be a paper issues kit. So ignore all that rambling about Redefined Creative. I don't think it is. I think it's a paper issues kit. I didn't get a lot of kits from Redefined Creative, so I'm not sure why I thought that. These are like those fabric banners, and they're ones that it's like, it always looks like they would peel off on the back, but they don't. So this one says happy, this one says this journey called life, and then this is just like a little label one, another little label one, and then this cute little bow pom. I don't know where this kit's from. That's what we're just to chalk it up to. But it's either Paper Issues or Redefined Creative. It was around those times, and it was when I was on the design team. Was back in, was it 2019, 2020? I don't remember. I sound like an old fogey now. Okay, let's look at papers. Stop talking. All right, Picnic in the Park from Amy Tan. Papers, gorgeous, all of it. Here's Happy Birthday. P13. Oh my gosh. Yes, it's P13. I was like, I know this company. P13. That's what it is. That's what those tags are from. Because here's a paper from it. And their paper is so nice. These would be fun to fussy cut. Not to use for a birthday, obviously. But summer. But yeah, this is a gorgeous paper. Photo Play Pool Party. These were the gnomes. Yeah. So this beautiful sunburst, and then all the gnomes in their floaties with some fish on some surfboards. Another P13 Happy Birthday. Great fun colors. Yeah, this might be a Cassie. And then they always have like the good cut-aparts on the back. Photo Play COVID-19. So it had to have been at least 2020 that I got this kit. At least. Because I think their kit was released later that summer in 2020. So yeah. Obviously, I don't care about the COVID-19 virus. But I like that. Photo Play PJs all day. Yes, because then Photo Play released this one. Let's Stay Home collection. Later that year too. So this is a gorgeous plaid. I love all the teals in this. I'm a big teal fan. Photo Play Pillow Fight. Again, beautiful stripe. I love this paper. Another Happy Birthday from P13. Beautiful stars. And their cut-aparts for photo props for a party, which is super cute. But I could totally cut those out and use those for something. Photo Play Read a Book from Let's Stay Home. Yes, I've used this paper before. I had a whole collection of this because this rainbow paper too. Same. Let's Stay Home. This is Family Fun. Use that. Good stuff. More Picnic in the Park. Yeah, because Picnic in the Park was 2019, I think. And then a fun checker with flowers on it. The strawberries are cute. This gorgeous P13 stripe that goes so well with that Let's Stay Home collection. This has to be a Cassie. Yeah, I think this is a Cassie kit. Yeah. And then Photo Plays Stick Together, the beautiful oranges, and then it's a cut apart too. But yeah, I will use a lot of the B-sides of this kit and all these beautiful colors. That's what I love about this one. And that's what drew me to it. It's just all the pops of color. Like this tells you all the color that are kind of in this kit. Okay, so that's what we're going to play with. We're going to try and kill this. It'd be fun to see how fast I can kill it. This is a lot of bright stuff, so you need bright sunshiny faces to go with it. This all works. So yeah, we'll do some stitching, likely, since we've got the thread. We'll have some fun, and I hope you follow along the journey of killing this kit. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.